What's your theory, my friend? No such thing as a climate change again. It's a myth of the mortals, a trick of the sky. The gods are bored, they're running dry. We stop the sacrifice, stop the song. Been worshipping the dollar for far too long. The god of money took the throne, while thunder waits for us to atone. Have you paid your water bill? Have you brushed the palm of the rain god still? If you pay too much, you drown in the flood. If you pay too little, you choke on dust and mud. Oh, pay your water bill. Slip the storm a silver thrill. Maybe then the sky will cry again. Oh, rain, rain, rain. They're angry now, the humid kind. Nasty, out of mind. They rumble deep beneath the waves. They crave our worship, not our graves. Be thankful they still burn the sky. If they ignored us, we'd freeze and die. So dance for them, shake and spin. Let the lightning see your skin. Have you paid your water bill? Did you whisper thanks from the windowsill? If the gods aren't pleased, the sun will sear, the oceans boil, but the message clear. Oh, pay your water bill. Give the clouds their ancient thrill. A little offering, a feather's brush, let it rain. Hush, hush, hush. The gods are dancing, the skies alive. The storms remember, they arrive. Melt that ice, make the rivers run. The price of pleasure under the sun. They say it's warming, I say it's divine. The old gods laughing, drawing the line. Dance like Britney,